Hey everybody, it's John here from Sound Connection. It is time for the Max Year Tax Sale. I have Zach recording me as we're going to go around the shop and we're going to talk about a whole bunch of the products that we have. I got to have my cheat sheet because there's a lot of stuff on sale. So let's start over here on this side. Jensen radios. We have Jensen radios with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless starting at $249. You'll see we have Kenwood radios all over the place for sale here. We have Hertz speakers, Kenwood speakers. On the other side of me here, we do have more Kenwood speakers. So just for instance, this is my list of Kenwood that we have on sale right now. I'm going to show you guys. I can't find it. Hold on. These are all of our sale prices. Look at all the stuff. That's Kenwood. All that's on sale right now for Kenwood. So if you're looking for anything Kenwood, it's probably on sale right now. We have anywhere up to $700 off one of our radios right now. So anywhere from $50 to $700 off radios. Remote car starters, we have $100 off on all of our remote car starters right now to get you through that end of winter slump. How about LED headlights? We have LED headlights on sale from 2020. Lucas Lighting, we have up to $180 off LED headlights right now. Blinkers, brakes, interior lights. We have cube lights on sale. Pretty much anything you can think of for lights we have on sale. How about stereos and subwoofers and amplifiers? We have a $400 package from Oker. We have $200 under seat boxes. We have Euphoria. We have DB Drive. We have Kenwood. We have Rockford. We have Rockford sales right now are on all of their amplified enclosures. So if you're looking for something quick, easy, that sounds amazing, the Rockford amplified enclosures are your guys. Radios, we have more radios on sale up here for you guys. How about Harley stuff? We haven't even talked about Harley stuff. Of course, Harley season is right around the corner here. We're going to have a bunch of Harley stuff on sale. Kenwood, Hertz, Rockford, all of the good stuff. How about Kenwood subwoofer enclosures? So we have a stack of Kenwood subwoofer enclosures right now, the dual 12s, and we have single 12s. These are on sale with matching amps, and you can save up to about $400 to $500 off on those guys right now. Down here, we have some DB Drive, 2,000 watt amp, two 8-inch subwoofers, a vented enclosure for 5th gen RAM. That's $500 off that package. We have a quad 8 with a 1,500 watt amp vented for the GM trucks. That's $500 off that one as well. Marine, we have Kenwood radios. We have $150 off our Marine Kenwood radios. We have Marine speakers on sale. We have so much stuff on sale. It is crazy right now. Stop by, see us in any of our 3 locations, or shop online.